Happy 2026, y'all. In today's episode, I'm going to break down the 5 things that you need to do if you want to hit 6 figures in 2026. Before we get started, let's pull that intention card. Lately, I've been hearing from a lot of you that you like this part of the episode so much because it helps just take that few seconds to get grounded. This is the Gabby Bernstein deck Super Attractor. I will also tag it in the show notes so you can grab it if you like these cards. They're just really beautifully illustrated. I'm going to pick a random one here. Perfect for our topic today. The more I attune my energy with appreciation, the more the universe will deliver. I love this card so much. The more I attune my energy with appreciation, the more the universe will deliver. And when I share with you the 5 things, which we're going to do right this second, one of these in specific really, really speaks to this. In fact, it's number 5. So when we get there, I'll mention this card again and you can see full circle. The universe never makes mistakes like that, right? It's always speaking to us at our core. All right, now that we are grounded and we have our intention set, I'm going to share with you the first thing I would do if I was trying to hit my first 6 figures in business. Number 1, I would have a clear offer with a clear promise. Notice I say one offer. You do not need a high, middle, and low offer despite what every person on the internet is telling you to do. We already went over this. You have a lot of things on your plate. Each one of those offers requires its own messaging, requires its own launch plan, has a different person that you're attracting. That's too much. It's too much. Simplify. Get one offer that you are excited as fuck about and talk about it until you literally feel like everyone on this planet has heard about your offer. It needs to be priced right? Like, I'm not going to go into that whole thing. That's a whole nother episode in and of itself. It needs to be priced to match your financial goals. But more importantly, you need to be excited about it. So make sure one offer that has one clear promise. Start there, okay? If you don't have that, number 1, clear out all your other offers and really sell out that one and go big or go home. The second thing I would do is elevate my circle of influence. This is why I'm so passionate about having a group coaching program, because you get to be around other women who get it. I know you might have, besties from a long time ago, or maybe you hang out with family all the time, but unless they're entrepreneurs, they might think you're a little cuckoo sometimes. And that's fine. It doesn't mean you don't need to be friends with them. But if you're only surrounding yourself with people who have a glass ceiling of here and yours is here, they're constantly going to be bringing you down to their level. So it's really important you put yourself in rooms or in communities where you aren't the smartest or you aren't the biggest thinker, because it allows you to expand on what's possible. If you aren't already doing that, highly recommend number 2, elevate your circle of influence. The third thing, make your messaging clear AF. I cannot tell you how much wishy-washy shit I see on social media on a regular basis. And it's the same people who are like, I don't get why my offer isn't selling. I don't understand why I don't have people in my DMs. Because we don't know what you do. It's so unclear. You're using words like confident and be your best self. Like, that is so 2019. We can't get away with that stuff on the internet anymore. I need to know exactly, again, going back to that number 1, clear offer, clear promise. I need to know exactly what you do, the framework you use to get me there. Again, really, really clear. My group program is not just for any woman in business. It is for that woman in business who is really at that rocky 2 to 5K month, who wants to get to 10K months or more, right? Like, that's the clarity I'm talking about. so specific. Let us know how we can work with you, because I know that everyone's like, I want to go viral if this thing only took off. But the thing is, babe, if you go viral and your messaging isn't clear, it doesn't matter how many millions of people have seen your reel. Get clear on your messaging, and it'll be simpler when you only have one thing to talk about, okay? Number 4, this one might take you by surprise. Take care of your health. It's no mistake that this year I lost 50 pounds and had my best year financially in business, because your body is everything, okay? Your body, your health, how you dress yourself, how you move. It is directly related to your bottom line, because it starts with my mantra that I use every day. How you do anything is how you do everything. It's so funny. My partner asks me all the time, what do you suggest I do? And I say, go work out. Go work out. It has nothing to do with the goal, but it has everything to do with the goal. This doesn't mean you need to be a CrossFit athlete. I'm literally talking about focusing on your steps, giving yourself good nourishment, drinking your water, going to your doctor's appointments, taking care of your mental health, right? Take care of your health and watch how everything, including the bottom line of your business, starts to expand. Number 5, celebrate more. This goes back to our card that we talked about, which mentions appreciation, right? This sounds simple, but honestly, I even miss it sometimes, because we're so focused on the next thing that we forget to just say thank you, have a moment of gratitude, and celebrate. When someone comes into your DMs and asks about your program or what you do or how they can work with you, just close your eyes for 2 seconds and say, thank you, universe. I am celebrating this. I'm celebrating this moment. I made a post about this not that long ago where I celebrate a $22 sale the same way I celebrate a $10,000 sale, a $5,000 sale. Money coming into our business is something to be celebrated. It doesn't matter how big or how small. Clients coming into our business, whether they're just getting an intensive, right? Or they're signing up with you for 6 months, celebrate. Celebrate every single day. This is something that is so important. At the end of the day, I love to ask myself, what am I celebrating today? Because as ambitious women, we're always being like, what did we miss today? What was the thing we didn't get to today? How could I have done that better? And sure, you can still answer those questions. But wouldn't you rather be in the vibrational frequency of celebration? I'm reading this book, actually, Ask and It Is Given. And the principle is everything you always want is on the other side of the door. It's always there. You just have to be willing to unlock it and change your vibrational frequency. The reason you don't have what you want is because you're on this frequency and the desires are on this frequency. So it's just a matter of changing your vibration and getting on the same energy of your desires. And that starts with acknowledging it and celebrating it, saying, I want more of this. So again, those are the 5 things I would do if I wanted to get to my first 6-figure year in 2026. I can't wait to see what you implement first. I am wildly passionate about helping you not only identify these things, but actually put it into action. And we're doing that right now inside of my 8-month program, Ascend. You can get on the wait list by heading down to the show notes. The door is officially open at the beginning of February, and we're going to have a really good time. So there's nothing like knowing this, but then the whole next thing is living it. So I hope to see you there. Again, make sure you share, subscribe, review, do all the things, and I'll see you back here next week.